Navigation, rear seat entertainment with DVD, rear view camera system. Sale prices refll CTS all accruable rebates and are subject to changes without notice in according with GM programs. Rebates are in lieu of interest rates. All vehicles subject to a documentary fee up to $150. Traction control, electronic stability control, four-wheel drive, trailer hitch receiver, front tow hooks, tires, front touring, tires, rear touring, full-size spare tire, aluminum wheels, power steering, four-wheel ABS, four-wheel disc brakes, running boards, auto-on headlights, auto-off headlights, daytime running lights, fog lamps, heated mirrors, power driver mirror, power passenger mirror, heated exterior driver mirror, heated exterior passenger mirror, privacy glass, rear parking aid, intermittent wipers, interior cargo shade, power driver seat, leather seats, bucket seats, pass-through rear seat, second row bench seat, rear seat audio controls, front floor mats, front reading lamps, adjustable steering wheel, leather wrap steering wheel, alarm, vehicle anti-theft system, cruise control, tire pressure monitoring system, power windows, power door locks, keyless entry, remote engine start, adjustable pedals, universal garage door opener, telematics, climate control, dual zone ARP carry, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo, CD changer, CD player, MP3 player, satellite radio, auxiliary PWR outlet, steering wheel controls, electrochromic rear view mirror, driver vanity mirror, passenger vanity mirror, driver illuminated vanity mirror, passenger illuminated visor mirror, rear reading lamps, driver airbag, passenger airbag on-off switch.